know that.
I was trying to plug my phone up.
Oh.
I slowed down for a minute and plug up.
Okay, so we went up there one day, and I think we found out that was the wrong trail. We had to turn around and come back, and we went on up. So we missed the trailhead up there somewhere.
Like, if you just stay straight on this, where does this end up at?
I don't know. That's what I was planning on doing.
Oh, okay.
Just seeing where this came out at. And I buzzed down this on dirt bikes like flying so many times. We pop out on a trail, and I still can't put it together. Whoa, that snuck up on me. And then the different times of year, everything looks so different. Gate ahead.
Really?
Okay, here's another four-way split. You're right. There's a truck. Oh, which way we want to go? Go up past the truck?
Yeah, probably.
What's going on? Trying to figure out where we're at out here.
Oh, you don't know either, huh?
No, not really. You just out exploring too?
Well, I mean, I've been up here before. I do know if you go that way, you can come out the head of Campbell Creek.
Okay, that's where we came in at.
That's where we came in at,
If you go this way, you come out over in, shoot.
I know there's somewhere you pop out on Kelly's or which.
Creek.
Okay.
Kelly's Creek. Okay.
Right there where Mammoth starts, right there at the Mammoth sign, that's where this road comes out at.
Okay.
And if you go down that way, I do know you can go down that way, and I don't know the exact roads you take, but you can come out over at Sanderson.
Okay.
All right.
And this road here, I have no idea.
Okay. Oh yeah, that's way more than we knew.
Yeah.
I came in from that way before in this pickup, all the way up, and went out that way and came out.
Yeah, we saw some side-by-sides going down the road on trailers with turkeys in the back.
Yeah, yeah.
Looks like some people got some. Appreciate the knowledge, man.
Hey,
Thank you.
So you have plenty as well. But you'll have plenty for a while. Now right there beside his truck was like a pole where there used to be a gate.
Oh, really?
Did you see that? There's
I
another hunter.
Hope we don't piss off a bunch of hunters.
Chances are we probably will. I don't know, it's getting pretty late in the morning for that stuff.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. He waved.
Yeah.
Trying to make it easy for Bob, but
Yeah, I did too. 10 years we'll be out here on electric dual sports doing this, bud.
yeah, you're right.
We'll have a jacket that's like a working solar panel. It's trickle charging us while we're riding. I smell gas, dude.
Oh gosh.
Yeah.
Oh, that's strong.
Yeah. They got a leak out here somewhere.
I tell you about the one I had right beside of my camper. There was like
At your house?
yeah,
I don't think so.
a huge leak right directly beside of my camper at the house. I was getting ready to leave and just happened to see it. I've been smelling it for a while, but
Wow.
that was pretty strong though. Wow.
Yeah, that was strong. One left turn. I feel like we've been through here before, but I don't know. It all looks the same, dude.
There's so much land out here.
The road goes further back in there too.
Yeah.
But you would think like the route to Sanderson would be like a well-worn road. You know?
Yeah.
Not like a trail.
Yeah, right.
But I don't know.
They just split all over the place.
Yep. Road goes, see how far it goes. Yeah, man.
I needed this.
I did too. And just nobody gets it, man.
I know.
Like, this is my mental health and my recharge.
Yeah.
And just nobody understands it. Yeah, I think we've done this.
I'm not. I don't think.
Really?
Yeah.
I think this brings us out at the end of Campbell's Creek. There's something. I think this is where you start on what they call the bear poop trail.
Bear poop?
Yeah, they call it bear poop. It's really fun on a dirt bike. Oh gosh, dude. Fairly deep, bro.